Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a showdown between two electric razors that promise to give you the smoothest shave ever. On the left, we have the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor, and on the right, we have the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor. Let the battle begin. Let's start with the most important factor for many of us: the price. The Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor comes in at a hefty price of $129, but hey, it's Braun, it's got to be good, right? On the other hand, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor is a steal at just $59. That's like getting two razors for the price of one. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect, the shaving performance. The Braun Series 7 boasts its AutoSense technology that adapts to your beard density. It's like having a personal shaving assistant. It can handle even the densest of beards. Meanwhile, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor features a flexible and smooth 7D floating head. It moves like a graceful dancer on your skin, capturing every hair effortlessly. It's almost like a personal barber in your pocket. Nobody wants to be left hanging with half a shave, right? The Braun Series 7 comes with a powerful Li-ion battery that offers up to 3 weeks of shaving. That's like a mini power plant in your bathroom. And if you're in a rush, just charge it for 5 minutes, and you're good to go for a full shave. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor offers 90 minutes of working time after just 1.5 hours of charging. It's like having a marathon runner in your hands. Now, let's dive into the wet and dry capabilities. The Braun Series 7 is 100% waterproof, so you can take it for a swim in the shower without any worries. Just please don't forget to invite us to the pool party. And speaking of water, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor is also IPX7 waterproof. You can even use it with foam or water for a luxurious shaving experience. It's like a spa day for your face. Last but not least, let's talk about the extra goodies. The Braun Series 7 includes a precision trimmer attachment, perfect for shaping your sideburns or mustache. It's like having a mini barbershop in your bathroom drawer. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor goes above and beyond with its 5-in-1 razor headset. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your grooming needs: smooth texture, hair trimmer, nose hair trimmer, massage brush, and cleaning brush. It's a one-stop shop for all your shaving desires. Reviewers have praised the Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor for its comfortable ergonomic design, flexible head, and efficient shaving performance. It provides a close and even shave with fewer passes, making it suitable for both coarse and fine hair. The trimmer attachment and easy cleaning are also highlights. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor is highly regarded for its effectiveness, convenience, and additional attachments. It is recommended for head shavers and those with sensitive skin. And there you have it, folks. The Braun Series 770/20s Flex electric razor and the SHPAVVER 5-in-1 electric razor have battled it out, but ultimately, the choice is yours. Are you willing to splurge on the Braun Series 7 for its renowned quality, or will you save some bucks and go for the feature-packed SHPAVVER 5-in-1? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The product links are available in the description. Stay smart, stay savvy, and happy shaving!